Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This is video number 3 of this one tape, okay? Here we go again. It's starting to go to crap. You can hear the audio. Listen. Okay, so guess what I have to do? I'm gonna stop the capture. Get it back to where we started, the birthday party. It's all clear there. But then all of a sudden, so it's good.
It'll match your new outfit.
And it starts to go there. I can hear it. All right, so I'm going to stop it there when she's opening the presents. Okay, now I'm going to rewind this so I can see. There's the swimming pool stuff. This is the third video, the third clip. I had to redo. I'd started 15 minutes in and then stopped it, deleted it, restarted it. Then 30 minutes in, it started to go to crap again. I had to stop it. I captured what I captured, then edited. All right, this is that. Okay, so we're going to stop here. And I did actually, in between that time, I didn't even make a... There was a moment I switched out the particular player and just put a new one in, or quote new player. But this particular tape has just deteriorated, and it's just an issue because it's clogging up both players. It's been a pig, and this is, you know, all for $35 on this tape. All this work, all this production, cleaning, restarting. I got to edit all these clips together. This is welcome to the world of distillate. I wish anybody luck that's sending out their distillate tapes to other companies where they're like, no, you know, I'm just gonna take a chance with this company right here because they're only charging $25 a tape. I mean, you know, and if you're sending off the companies charging $7, $8, $9, $15 a tape, forget it. Forget it. So we're going to start this 19. This is going to be the third take. Here we go. All right, there we go. It's all clean and clear. No pixelation, no weird audio choppiness. Fingers crossed, because I've got... oh, no, don't tell me. So I've got the one clip. I've got 19. Okay, here we go. 19... So I've got these two files right here I got to join together. One's 31, one's 13. Yeah, look, that's that. And then this, hopefully this is going to last. So 13, so that's 44 minutes. I've got another 16-ish minutes, 17. It's like an hour and 2, usually hour and 1. But yeah, it's all clean. I'm going to keep my eye on that again. Yeah, so that's why you have to have eyeballs on every single screen. Even when it's captured, you're having to check stuff, make sure it's blank or not blank, or this and that and the other, and undoing everybody's mess of jumbled junk that hasn't been played in 30 years, whatever it is, stuck in garages, attics, and people expect these tapes to play perfectly the first time they put them in a player and not destroy the players or screw up halfway through. There is no fast way of doing this. It is all real time, plus. This right here is a perfect example. Everyone thinks that there's a magic thing that you just plug these tapes into like a USB drive and you go, bink, and then, and it just zips all the, perfectly done. No, this is not a flash drive. This is analog, real time, pain in the ass. And you hear it in my voice because it is a lot of work. And if you're shopping around for companies again and again and again, then I tell people, just go through my other videos. Because it astounds me still when people are contacting me and they're like, I got 57 videotapes and this company's quoting me $300. Why are you so much more money? Have you not seen any of my videos on the channel? Go over to the Got Memories YouTube channel and type in your formats and you will see, look, this is gone now, 3839. It just went to fuzz. You saw that if you rewind this YouTube video. Oh, fucking hell. Here we go, look. Right here, this is exactly what I have to deal with constantly. So, is it the tape? Is it the player? So I'm going to hit stop because I did see that last few frames as I was talking in the corner of my eye. And this is why you need eyeballs. You cannot use any of these companies for a multitude of reasons, but they're just putting players in decks. And then they have one button on a computer that just fires up all of these players. No one's watching them. No one's listening. And it goes to crap. And then they sometimes capture. So I've stopped that.